Hey you, and welcome to this video where I will help you out how to connect FXPIG to cTrader. And if you want to do this, it's quite simple because we go to brokers, go right here to load more, and then we select right here the F, and then you will find right here the FXPIG. Yeah, sorry, I call it PIG, but you can call it FXPIG. Then right here we go to open account, and then right now what you need to know is you need to create yourselves an account. Maybe you already have an account, but there's one important thing, because if you're creating right here your live account, can also be a demo account, but let's say you want to create yourselves a live account. If the email isn't the same as this email right here, so what you're using in cTrader, you can check this by going right in the top. You need to use the same email address on FXPIG as the email address that you're using right here. Then after that, you go further, do all these steps. And then once you come right there at the platform type, you also can find it right here. You can select MT4, cTrader or MT5, and then you need to select cTrader. So make sure that you do that in these steps. Then after that, finish your account setup. And then after that, if you use the same email address and selected cTrader, he will automatically sync this FXPIG account to your cTrader application. So once you created that account, you go to cTrader right in the top, and then you can find your created account right here in this list. So I already did it for FP Markets, FTMO, Fusion Markets, FX Pro, IC Markets, and it works exactly the same for every single broker. So this is exactly how you can connect FXPIG right here to cTrader. Hopefully this was the video where I was looking for. Thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Ciao.